This is why you should eat carrots every day. Among the most often eaten veggies worldwide are carrots. They are really healthful, delicious, and crispy. There are several health advantages from this little root vegetable. We will discuss in this post the reasons daily consumption of carrots is advisable. Carrots first abound in vitamins and minerals. They provide rather good amounts of vitamin A. Preserving excellent vision depends on vitamin A. It also assists organs' correct operation and the immune system. Carrots will help you get your daily required vitamin A. Furthermore, vital vitamins are found in carrots. Vitamin K they have is crucial for blood coagulation. Rich in vitamin C, they strengthen your immune system. Vitamins B6 found in carrots enable food to be turned into energy. For general health, these vitamins are really vital. Moreover, plentiful in carrots are minerals. Potassium found in them helps regulate blood pressure. Strong teeth and bones depend on their calcium content. Magnesium found in carrots is crucial for the operation of muscles. These minerals help a body to be healthy. Though they have few calories, carrots are heavy in fiber. A working digestive tract depends on fiber. It keeps constipation free and helps control bowel motions. Additionally, helping with weight control is fiber's ability to keep you feeling full. Eating carrots can help to keep weight within reasonable range. Carrots' antioxidant qualities provide still another advantage. Antioxidants guard your body against damage brought on by free radicals. Free radicals hasten aging and can lead to chronic diseases. Antioxidants of numerous kinds abound in carrots. These cover lutein, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants lessen the risk of age-related eye disorders and support eye health. Key antioxidant contained in carrots is beta-carotene. The body changes it into vitamin A. This mechanism keeps vision in good condition. Beta-carotene strengthens immune system as well. It has been connected to reduced risk of several malignancies. Your beta-carotene consumption can be raised by eating carrots. Important for eye health also are lutein and zeaxanthin. They guard the eyes from damaging light. They lower macular degenerations and cataracts risks. Regular carrot consumption can help to maintain long-term eye health. One anti-inflammatory food is carrot. Many chronic illnesses are connected to inflammation. These cover diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. Compounds in carrots lower inflammation. Consuming them might help reduce the risk of several ailments. Your heart benefits from carrots. They have antioxidants, potassium, and fiber. These elements lower the heart disease risk. Fiber reduces cholesterol levels. Blood pressure is regulated in part by potassium. Antioxidants stop damage to blood vessels. Incorporating carrots into your diet can help your heart. Furthermore, supporting brain health might be carrots. Their antioxidants shield brain cells. These antioxidants help to enhance cognitive ability and memory. Regular consumption of carrots can support a good brain function. Easy to include into your diet are carrots. One might consume them cooked or uncooked. Salads, soups, and stews call for them as additions. On their own, they are rather good for a snack. One might even juice them for a healthy beverage. There are several ways one may savor the advantages of carrots. A good and quick snack are raw carrots. They satisfy and are crispy. For more taste, team them with yogurt dip or hummus. Mostly of their nutrients are retained in raw carrots. For a quick and sensible snack, they are a fantastic choice. Also quite healthful are cooked carrots. Some nutrients become more accessible for absorption while cooking. One good approach to prepare carrots is boiling or steaming them. Carrots roasted help to highlight their inherent sweet taste. For extra nutrients, you can include cooked carrots to many recipes. Another approach to savor this veggie is with juiced carrots. It loads on vitamins and antioxidants. A great drink is created by combining carrot juice with other fruits and vegetables. A reviving approach to increase your vitamin intake is carrot juice. In cooking, carrots are flexible. Both savory and sweet foods can call for them. Stir-fries, casseroles, and roasted vegetable medleys call for them. Salads or slaws sometimes call for their grated form. Baking calls for carrots to create either carrot cake or muffins. Many meals get taste from their inherent sweetness. Including carrots into your diet is simple and good for you. They offer basic minerals and vitamins. They back brain, heart, and eye as well as general health. Their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action shields your body. Though they have few calories, carrots are heavy in fiber. Any diet would benefit from their healthful addition. Carrots are, all things considered, a healthy and adaptable vegetable. They have many medical advantages. Daily eating them will help you to be generally healthy. You might enjoy them juiced, raw, or cooked. Your meals could benefit from numerous wonderful ways to include carrots. Regularly include carrots in your diet. Your body will appreciate it. You will feel more energy and better overall. Your brain, heart, and sight will all profit. One easy and quick approach to improve your health is by including carrots. So why not start today? Put carrots on your shopping list and daily use their advantages. Carrots provide purposes beyond mere taste. They have great nutritional power. Their health advantages offer great value to your diet. Daily carrot eating can result in a better, more content existence. Beginning to include carrots in your meals. The change will be instantly felt and seen. Your vision will get better. Your immunity will be better. Your digesting will be more seamless. Your pulse will be better. You will have more keen intellect. From a basic vegetable, all these advantages. One quick and tasty approach to boost your health is by eating carrots. They are reasonably priced and rather plentiful. Any good grocery shop has them. There are several recipes and approaches of cooking them. Many different cuisines all throughout the world center carrots as a mainstay. Their sweet taste and adaptability make them much sought after. From soups to salads, from juices to cakes, carrots are a favored component. To get their advantages, you need not eat much. One can change things even with a little portion of carrots. Develop the habit of including carrots in your everyday meals. To your morning smoothie, try adding shredded carrots. Daytime snack on small carrots. Toss sliced carrots into your supper salad. A great side dish is roasted carrots topped with your preferred herbs and spices. Test several dishes and cooking techniques. You will find fresh and mouth-watering approaches to eat carrots. Show friends and relatives your vegetable masterpieces. Urge them to eat additional carrots as well from their meals. One easy first step toward a better way of life is eating carrots. This is a little modification with great influence. Start immediately and include carrots in your everyday schedule. You will feel excellent and your body will be better. At last, carrots are a healthy and useful vegetable. They have various health advantages and are simple for you to integrate into your diet. Daily carrot intake supports immune system function, digestion, heart and brain health, vision, and helps you stay clear. They are a fantastic choice for weight control since they are low in calories and heavy in fiber. From raw snacks to prepared meals and fresh juices, carrots are extremely flexible and enjoyable in many ways. Enjoy the many health advantages carrots provide and include them often into your diet.